feeling sluggish before your meal even arrives. In the words of the philosopher Lao Tzu, "He who knows that enough is enough will always have enough." Politely decline the bread basket, or if you do indulge, limit yourself to a small piece. Save your appetite for after, where you can make more nutritious choices. 9. The power of sharing. Share food with someone else. In the spirit of community and connection, sharing a dish with a dining companion can be both a social and a health-conscious choice. Not only does sharing allow you to enjoy a variety of flavors, but it also helps you control portion sizes. As Plato said, "The first and best victory is to conquer self." By choosing to share, you exercise control over your consumption, ensuring that you eat just enough to satisfy hunger without overindulging. 10. Beware of the fancy drinks. Stick to simple beverages. In the world of dining out, fancy drinks, whether alcoholic cocktails, sugary sodas, or elaborate coffee concoctions, are often a hidden source of excess calories and sugars. These beverages can quickly turn a healthy meal into a high-calorie indulgence. As the philosopher Epicurus advised, be moderate in order to taste the joys of life in abundance. Choose water, sparkling water with lemon, or unsweetened iced tea instead. These simple drinks hydrate without adding unnecessary calories, keeping your focus on the nourishment of your meal. 11. The power of choice. Customize your meal. Many restaurants offer the flexibility to customize your meal, and this is a powerful tool in your quest for healthy dining. Don't hesitate to ask for substitutions or adjustments that align with your dietary preferences. For example, you can request extra vegetables instead of fries, or ask for a salad without cheese or croutons. Customizing your meal allows you to stay in control of what you're eating, ensuring that it meets your nutritional needs. As the philosopher Jean-Jacques Rousseau believed, man is born free, and everywhere he is in chains. In the realm of dining out, let us break free from the chains of unhealthy defaults by making choices that empower us and reflect our commitment to well-being. 12. The aftermath. Reflect and learn. After the meal is over, take a moment to reflect on your choices. Did you feel satisfied? Were there areas where you could have made healthier decisions? Reflection is a key part of the learning process, allowing you to refine your approach for future dining experiences. By examining your dining choices, you gain insights that help you make better decisions next time, ensuring that each meal becomes an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. 13. The power of community. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Finally, remember that your dining companions can greatly influence your choices. Surround yourself with people who share your commitment to health and well-being. When you dine with others who value healthy eating, you create a supportive environment where making good choices becomes easier and more enjoyable. As the philosopher Seneca advised, associate with people who are likely to improve you. Let your social circle reinforce your healthy habits, making dining out a shared experience of growth and mutual support. The journey of conscious dining. This is not a mere task, but a mindful journey, one that requires discipline, awareness, and a deep respect for our bodies. As we step into restaurants and cafes, let us do so with the wisdom to make choices that nourish us rather than deplete us. Here, we explore the art of staying healthy while dining out, a path that demands conscious decisions and a commitment to well-being. Dining out, when approached with mindfulness and intention, can be a joyful experience that aligns with our health goals. It is not about deprivation or rigid rules, but about making conscious choices that honor our bodies and our well-being. By simplifying our choices and focusing on what truly nourishes us, we can enjoy the pleasures of dining out without compromising our health. As we continue on this journey of conscious eating, let us remember that every meal is an opportunity to make a choice that reflects our commitment to health, vitality, and the life we wish to lead. Let these choices be guided by wisdom, awareness, and a deep respect for the body that carries us through the world. In this way, we can dine out with confidence, knowing that we are taking care of ourselves with every bite we take. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.